In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Canva website design into a Wix website seamlessly. This process may seem a bit technical at first, but with these easy-to-follow steps, you'll have your design live on Wix in no time. First, let's start by navigating to Canva's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to select a design that you've already created. If you haven't designed your website yet, Canva offers a variety of templates to get you started, so feel free to browse through and pick one that suits your needs. With your design ready, it's time to move on to the sharing options. You'll notice a Share button located at the top right corner of the page on Canva. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up several options for sharing your design. From these, you'll want to click on the option labeled Embed. This is the key step in transferring your design to Wix, as it allows you to export an HTML code that Wix can use to recreate your design. After clicking Embed, you'll spot a button that says Copy under the HTML embed code. It's crucial to correctly copy this code, as it's the blueprint to bring your Canva design into Wix. So, click Copy and head over to the Wix website editor. In your Wix editor, you need to find the area where you can add new elements to your site. Look for the option that allows you to add elements. This is typically represented by a plus sign or similar icon. Once you've found it, you should see a menu of options for different elements. In this menu, select Embed Code to reveal another set of choices. From there, select Embed HTML. This action will open a box where you can type or paste code. Paste the Canva HTML code you copied earlier into this box. Make sure the code is pasted correctly. And if you encounter any issues, double-check to make sure no part of the code was accidentally omitted or altered. Once your code is in place, the final step is to click Update. This will save your changes, and your Canva design will now be embedded directly into your Wix site. You can view your site to ensure everything appears as expected. And there you have it. Your Canva design is now part of your Wix website, ready to be showcased to your audience. Remember, this method offers a fantastic way to leverage the creative power of Canva with the site-building flexibility of Wix. Thanks for watching and happy designing.